Water is the key to life on Earth. Without water, we have nothing to drink, nothing to eat, nothing for transportation, and no means of powering society. With the dawn of the 21st century, we now use water for hydroelectricity.
Welcome to Nunavut, the largest and northernmost territory of Canada. Despite its unique landscape and climate, it faces a controversial challenge, powering its three largest communities, Iqaluit, Rankin Inlet, and Arviat.
Currently, Nunavut uses fossil fuels to provide electricity. These fossil fuels create air pollution, which contribute to climate change and harm the environment. Most other provinces and territories have started to invest in green energy in order to avoid the negative effects of non-renewable sources. However, Nunavut still uses 100% diesel to provide electricity. So, what parts of Nunavut have converted to green energy? None of it.
Team Temple has decided to address this problem. Other provinces and territories, such as the Northwest Territories, have converted to partial green energy, but Nunavut has continued to produce up to 603,000 tons of CO2 each year, a 3% increase since 2015.
Our solution is inspired by the marine life that lives in the area. Over the course of millions of years, nature has selected the undulating motion as the primary structure for harnessing the energy in water. Thus, the magic carpet tide mimics this movement to capture 100% of the current, while avoiding the disadvantages of a traditional bladed turbine.
Team Temple chose the solution because research on the demography of Nunavut reveals that all communities are located near a source of flowing water. Due to the independence of each city within the grid, tidal energy is the ideal solution to reducing Nunavut's impact on climate change. This year's design theme asks us to incorporate affordable and reliable energy sources to create sustainable communities. The price of electricity for consumers using tidal energy will remain the same, if not cheaper than the current system. Tidal energy is also unaffected by weather and climate, as opposed to solar and wind, since it is located underwater and relies on certainties. As long as the moon keeps orbiting the Earth, MCT will keep generating electricity to the people of Nunavut.
MCT provides a clean alternative to burning diesel for electricity to the citizens of Nunavut. Initially, this project will impact over 13,000 residents, but we expect to expand it to the other three-fourths of Nunavut. Finally, due to its adaptability and scalability, we can implement this solution anywhere in the world.